If you want to make money online and you're sick and tired of doing surveys that pays you pennies, you don't want to get burned in the stock market anymore, and you don't want to build a massive audience to sell a product, you're in the right place. Let me introduce you to UGC. And if you don't know me, I'm Brian Nin, and I've done 10K a month with UGC, and I've worked with some of the top brands in the AI space, and I want to help you guys out. So let's get straight into it. So what is UGC? On all these platforms that you love and scroll on, like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you see all these ads and you see people talking about these products. That is UGC, user generated content. Here's a couple examples that I've done, and these are for tech companies like Perplexity, Standstore, Kajabi, and you can do this for all types of products. There are so many brands out there looking for people like us that have our phones to take photos and to film videos so that they can get more sales in their business. These brands are looking for more brand awareness and more sales. And that means that we can fill the gap by providing them the content that they need so that we can get paid and they can get paid. So who's this for though? Well, if you're someone that has a job, whether it's a 9 to 5 or a part-time job, and you're probably feeling burnt out or you feel like you're meant for more, this is for you. Or if you're someone that is curious about side hustles or UGC in general, this is for you. And if you're someone that's tried other side hustles and it didn't work out for you, this is for you. A lot of people, when they hear UGC, they think that you need some crazy big following like a Kim Kardashian to be able to crush it in UGC. However, you don't need that. And then a lot of people also think that you need to be super experienced with content creation, editing, filming videos, but you don't. Brands want you, an ordinary person like their consumers who can make authentic, relatable content. And brands are willing to pay you 3 to 4 figures per gig because they need you. So you're probably wondering, how do you even start? All you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and a $20 tripod just to get started. So if UGC sounds this easy, why do people not do it? It's probably because one of these things. A lot of people think that you have to be young to do well in UGC, but that's so far from the truth because there are so many companies out there of all industries that are looking for people in different age groups and different demographics that they need to fulfill UGC. A lot of people think that you have to be drop dead gorgeous and look 100% perfect on camera to do UGC, but that's not true at all. You don't have to look fresh off the runway to make good content. And so many people think that UGC is so saturated, but there are literally more than 300 million companies out there in the world that need help with their marketing. So why would you not do UGC? So you're probably wondering, how do I actually get started with UGC? Well, I'm gonna break this down in the next episode. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to message me at Mr. Diversify on Instagram, and see you on the next one. Peace.